Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with the back of my hair already done. And for this braid, I'm going to go in with my herbal oil from Africa's Best. Y'all know I love this oil. And then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner from African Pride. So for this leave-in conditioner, I actually started at the tips. And then I worked my way up to the roots of my hair. Then I'm going to go in with the Honey Health Repair Stocking from Urban Hydration. Basically just detangled my hair with all those things in it, and then afterwards I just started to braid. So for the braid, didn't borrow any strands. I just braided my hair normally, just straight down, and then afterwards when I got to the ends, I just swirled it around my fingers like I normally would. So just to show you guys a close-up of the braid, I just three strands, they weren't even all equal, okay? And I just braided like normal, basic braid. They weren't tight and they weren't too loose. It was just a regular braid, and I just braided my hair all the way down until I got to the very ends, and then I twirled it around my fingers. That is it, you guys. Another tip with this braid out that I discovered is do not go too heavy on the products, because usually I do, and I learned my lesson, y'all. So I would say definitely use more of the styler, but don't use too much, like an actual dime size per braid, so that at the end it's not too much product and you don't get any flakes and your hair actually dries in time. So this is the next day when I'm taking my hair down, and y'all, I love me a good defined braid out. Okay, like this definition, I loved it. I really loved it. One thing that I will say though is don't be like me. Okay, trim your ends, because my ends are not trimmed, and that's why like it's not as defined as it should be. But you guys, this definition, freaking amazing. Okay, like I loved it, beyond loved it. So once I finished basically just unbraiding all of my hair, I just started to just separate the curls. So this, I actually separated the curls where they naturally separate. You'll see me just pull the strand and then split that up, is because I don't want to disturb the curl too much so that I don't lose too much definition. So when you're separating your curls, depending on what you want to go for, if you want to go for volume or definition, if you want to go for volume, just split however you want. But if you want to go for definition, you want to make sure you separate the curls where it naturally separates, so that you don't mess up the curl pattern too much and that you still have the definition that you're actually looking for. So after that, I just went in with my pick and I just picked at the parts. So the key with the pick is that you want to make sure you go at the roots and you lift up, so that you only hide the part where your hair was and you don't actually mess up like your curls and everything. So you go at the roots and you just lift up so that you can get that full thick look that you're going for. Then I just went and I just laid my edges off camera, just have like a little something, something. Then afterwards, I just teased my hair a little bit with my hands just to get like a fuller, thicker look. And you guys, that's pretty much it. Like, play with your hair and get it to the look that you want it to be, that you feel more comfortable at. And that's all you gotta do. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.